A couple months have passed and you think I've been chilling by the pool relaxing. No, I've been staring at those weeds. Okay, this is the follow-up video. It's been a couple months since we installed cardboard. That's right, everyday cardboard boxes. You have them, I have them. They are free, so I got fed up with weed fabric. Look at the first video where I showed that weed fabric was not stopping the weeds. In fact, I think it's promoting weed growth. It's horrible. So we pulled up all the landscaping rocks, covered the ground with cardboard, and now we're gonna look at the results. Come on in. Now, this was the area covered with cardboard. That was the area with weed block. We're going to show the differences. Overall, it's held up well. You can see in between the rocks, the cardboard is still under there. No weeds at all in the center areas. Only a few tiny little ones, but those peel right up. They've been easy to deal with. Now, let's look at some of the areas where we had weed block. All of this was weed block, grass and weeds coming through. Completely ineffective. Weed block, plenty of weeds coming through. Now I did put weed killer on some of this because I got tired looking at it. Oh, that's what it looked like. But it literally lets the weeds come right through, or even holds the moisture to promote the weeds. All of these areas were also covered with weed block. As you can see, weed block lets the weeds right through, completely fails. Okay, now if you didn't watch the first video yet about me covering the ground with ordinary everyday cardboard and showing why everybody's doing it and it's completely earth friendly, go ahead and watch that. I'll insert it in the end screen. Overall, I think I would do it again. Well, don't know how it will hold up over the years, but overall, I think I will do it again. I'm definitely done buying weed block. Oh, and another plus, cardboard is completely free.